Hey everyone, so let's do a check-in. Just get into a comfortable position, close your eyes, place a hand or two over your heart center, and take a deep breath in through your nose, and exhale. And take another deep breath in through your nose, and exhale. Just relax your shoulders, your mind, your emotions. Just relax everything. And begin to draw your attention to your heart center. And at the center of your heart center is a light, the light of love. Allow that light to begin to burn brighter, to grow more luminescent, allowing that light to expand throughout your chest, and then moving throughout your body, and then all around you, enveloping you in a beautiful, loving light, a healing light. Now check in with your heart center. Allow it to provide you with the information that you need for what you need in this moment, for this week ahead. What is it that you require? What is it that you need to give to yourself? What is it you need to understand? You are a beautiful light of love. Allow that light to shine brightly within you, to grow so others can see it as well. And when others see your light shining, it gives them permission to shine their own beautiful light of love. Now you can stay here for a few more moments if you wish, or you can slowly bring yourself into the space, into the room. Remember that you are light, you are love, you are enough. Namaste.